In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Artlist AI platform that's been getting a lot of attention lately among content creators, YouTubers, and anyone working with video, audio, or creative projects. Artlist has already built a strong reputation for its royalty-free music and sound effects. But with Artlist AI, they're clearly aiming to take things to the next level by using artificial intelligence to speed up and simplify the creative process. The big question is whether it actually delivers real value or if it's just another AI feature riding the hype wave. Artlist AI is designed to help creators save time while maintaining quality. Instead of digging endlessly through music libraries or struggling to find the right sound, the AI helps generate and recommend music and audio assets based on the mood, pacing, and style of your content. For someone editing YouTube videos, ads, reels, or client projects, this can be a serious time saver. You describe what you're working on, and the AI suggests tracks that fit your video's vibe, which feels surprisingly accurate in many cases. One of the strongest points of Artlist AI is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need to be an audio expert or have technical knowledge about music theory. The interface is clean, modern, and easy to navigate, which means you can focus on storytelling instead of getting lost in settings. For solo creators or small teams, that simplicity is a big advantage. It feels like Artlist is trying to remove friction from the creative process, and for the most part, it succeeds. That said, Artlist AI isn't perfect. While the AI recommendations are generally solid, they can sometimes feel a bit safe or predictable, especially if you're looking for something truly unique or experimental. Advanced creators who like to fine-tune every detail may still prefer manual searching and customization. Also, like most premium creative tools, pricing can be a factor depending on your budget and how often you create content. Another important thing to mention is licensing. Artlist has always been strong in this area, and Artlist AI follows the same approach. You get peace of mind knowing the music and assets you use are safe for monetization across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and client work. That alone makes it appealing for creators who don't want copyright headaches later on. Overall, Artlist AI feels like a smart evolution of an already trusted platform. It's not here to replace creativity, but to support it by removing repetitive tasks and speeding up decision-making. If you're someone who values efficiency and wants high-quality audio without spending hours searching, this tool is definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments if you've tried or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and creator tools breakdowns.